Since 1997, Kernel Medical has always adhered to advancing in technology, promising of life, collaborating with world-class institutions, advancing hand in hand with partners, continuously breaking the boundaries of innovation, accelerating the advancement of photomedicine applications, exploring research in high-performance medical equipment, continuously improving medical technology standards, enhancing medical service accessibility. Innovative manufacturing is the central force fueling Kernel's continuous development. We bring together cutting-edge technological resources committed to continuous investment in R&D efforts, thoroughly aligned with national strategies, accelerate the development of innovative productive capacities, create advanced medical devices with superior performance, collaborate closely with national academic and research institutions, such as the Chinese Academy of Sciences, concentrate on tackling various product and technology challenges in light therapy applications and beyond. Numerous major technological breakthrough projects have achieved a leading position internationally. We consistently adhere to the principle of technology as the foundation, quality as the priority, continuously enhancing intelligent manufacturing and innovation capabilities. Let high-end Chinese medical equipments shine globally. From the global industry academia integration innovation and R&D platform to clinical results of various skin diseases, we have provided many medical institutions with high-quality products and system solutions, cover a wide range of fields including dermatology and trichology, smart home health care, medical aesthetics, and other fields, advancing in technology, promise of life. As a global leader in photomedicine applications, we have more than 40 branches at home and abroad, providing comprehensive and professional services to every customer. Our products are used in more than 10,000 public hospitals in the country, serving more than 110 countries and regions overseas. Products are used by more than 1,600 well-known overseas medical institutions and many end-user patients. In China, around the world, Kernel's brand influence is continuously expanding. We will deeply root our foundation in quality, striving to become the most trusted high-end medical device brand globally. In the future, Kernel will become a pioneer of change in line with the times. Through innovative technology breakthroughs, deeply engaged in the high-value medical equipment sector, with wisdom and technology defending the value of health.